I'm Kevin Wolf, a co-founder, the CEO, and the second largest investor in wind harvest. Our technology will provide the lowest cost energy in many places around the world. Our patents will be used in hundreds of thousands of turbines made by the largest companies. Traditional turbines are placed high above the ground and far apart from one another to avoid damage from turbulent wind. Because they are 300 to 500 feet tall, utility-scale turbines are prevented from being installed in areas that are with protected views and on many properties with setback restrictions. This leaves excellent mid-level wind resources below 100 feet above the ground without a technology to utilize them. That's where we come in. Our steel and aluminum wind harvesters are designed for turbulence. In the process, we made them so durable that they will last over 70 years. Our Model 3.1 has completed technology readiness level 7, and our Model 4.0 is ready for certification. We just need the capital to order the two of them. I've been working on this for over 20 years. I've supervised our engineering and marketing teams. I've helped install earlier prototypes. I'm an expert on vertical axis turbines and mid-level wind markets. I also know that we need to hire a team of executives with the experience to build a world-class company, because I don't have that experience. Our biggest market is the 20% of wind farms with excellent mid-level wind. With zoning infrastructure already in place, this wind-rich land can quickly and inexpensively add our turbines. But it will take a few years to enter, so we're starting to focus on the distributed energy market. Besides being ahead of the competition, no other company appears to be pursuing the turbulent mid-level wind resource. When others follow, they will see they need our patents to make the turbines rugged enough to survive under the tall turbines in the world's windiest wind farms. Our first $2 million sale is set, and we're lining up other pilot projects and sales. With data from these initial projects, banks will be able to finance our customers, and we will achieve the last step in the commercialization process, technology readiness level 9. As production runs increase, our cost of goods will go down. We predict achieving 20% margins initially and 30% margins by 2028. In the process, we will make 4 times the net income per megawatt of other utility scale wind turbine suppliers. Eventually, though, we'll make most of our net income by licensing our patents to GE and the other big companies. Our lead investor will have a major say in our exit strategy. Some candidates will want to keep the company private for years before an IPO, and others will want to pursue a merger and acquisition. Given the enormous size of the market, the demand for renewable electricity, and our predicted net income, an investment in wind harvest promises to be a home run. We're raising $10 million in our Series A. This capital builds on $22 million that has already been invested so far. Until the round closes, we are offering convertible promissory notes to accredited investors. Few companies make it to the end of the commercialization process and remain privately held, especially with such a large, proven, and untapped market for their products and services. I hope you will join us.